Ginger is a popular spice with a very warm, sweet, and zesty flavor. It can easily be incorporated into spicy and savory recipes. Ginger has so many medicinal benefits. It can help to relieve nausea, cough, and sore throat. Today guys, I'm going to be showing you another medicinal use of ginger. You're going to see how this simple cough remedy is made with ginger. This is ginger candy or candied ginger. So stay tuned and watch this to the end and see how ginger candy is made. To make this ginger candy, you will need about 5 medium-sized fresh ginger. So I'm going to start by peeling the ginger. I just rinse the ginger to clean the skin. Then I'm going to use a spoon to scrape the back. You can still do this without peeling the ginger, but I just feel I should remove the brownish skin first. I've earlier made a video on how to peel your ginger. You can check it up. I'm going to put it up so you can watch that and see how to peel your ginger easily. Okay, I'm done peeling the ginger, so I'm just going to rinse this a little bit to get rid of the skin that is attached to the flesh of the ginger. Okay, after rinsing this, I'm just going to slice this into round shapes. The size of ginger you use depends on the size of ginger candy you want to make. Here is the ginger I've just sliced. I'm going to bring this into a pot. The ginger, I'm going to add in a cup of water, then place this on heat and allow to boil. I'll place a lid over this. So I've been cooking this for the past 10 minutes. Let me just use a fork to pierce this so it's a little bit soft. Now I'm going to turn off the heat and drain the ginger. Okay, I'm just using a spoon to take this out. So if your water has reduced like mine, you can add a little water to it to increase this. Okay. Now to this ginger water, I'm going to be adding in 1/4 cup of sugar. Okay. I'm just going to stir this to mix everything up, to dissolve the sugar. Then I'm going to bring this to a boil. Okay, so after stirring this and the sugar has melted, I'm going to be adding in ground cardamom. Also, I'm going to be adding in 2 cloves. I'm just going to stir everything until it combines. After that, I'm going to bring in the sliced ginger. I'm just going to stir everything until it's nicely combined. I'm going to cook this uncovered until the sugar syrup starts to thicken. At first, this will look watery, but as you keep cooking this, the consistency will begin to change. Okay, as you keep cooking this, you will notice the sugar syrup is beginning to have a thick consistency. It's no longer runny like before. So I'm not going to pick out the cloves. I don't need this anymore. Okay. Okay, if you notice, the syrup is becoming caramelized, just a little bit, slightly caramelized. I'm just going to cook this for another 5 minutes. until it's golden. Okay, this has thickened up and the syrup has become slightly caramelized. I'm going to put off heat and bring this down. I'm going to leave this to cool first before picking out the ginger. I'm using a toothpick to pick this. You need something very sharp to pick this because it's becoming hardened. Okay, after picking this out from the sugar syrup, I'm just going to let this dry. I just spread them out evenly in a plate, then I'm going to allow this to dry. Okay, so I've dried this for an hour now, so it's dry. You can hear the sound, it's well dried. You can just go ahead and store this in a jar with a fitting lid. So guys, this was how ginger candy is made at home. I hope you loved this video. Do remember to subscribe to my channel, like this video and also share this with your friends. Until next time.